Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to repair the fridge. This fridge compressor is working well. The one thing that is the temperature is not cold is because the relay of the fridge, which is white in color. I mean, this is the relay, and it's easily replaceable. And that's often the problem leading to this mini fridge does not work. So this literally is a plug and play, and you can extend the life of the fridge. So the first step is to remove just 2 screws. One of the screw is in here. That would allow you to reach to the back of the machine, and that's where the relay sits. And all you have to do is just get the new one ready. This is a 2-prong relay, so we will get the 2-prong relay ready so that we can swap it when the other one come out. So this is the 2-prong relay. So all you have to do is just remember how it's positioned. So it's going to go in this directions. So we're going to take out the old one. Again, it's just pull out from 2 pin. After you plug it back in, you screw the yellow wire back to this positions. And the next thing is we're going to, well, first of all, relay usually is turned bad when you can tell by shaking the relay. And if you hear a little bit clicking noise, which means the relay is just gone bad, and usually this is caused by electric surge. So now we're going to plug the machine back in, and then we can hear the hum. So let me pause for a second. Okay, now after we plug it back in, so let's take a look. You should start hearing the humming noise. You adjust the thermostat, and that's all you have to do. So this is actually quite a nice machine. The Danby designers like this one because it doesn't have the freezer and you don't have to worry about defrosting. The main challenges is sometimes the relay does gone bad, and those relays sometimes difficult to get, but luckily nowadays there's online, and usually it's just plug and play type relay. So there's basically 2-prong you put in. This go to the compressor, and this is control the temperatures. my understanding is control the unit and it prevent the compressor to get burned. The only challenges is sometimes due to electrical surge, this relay could be sacrificed. So what happened is you will have to order this on online, roughly around 20 to 30 bucks each. But that allow you to extend the life of your fridge. And it is less than 5 minute task to do. Alright, hope you enjoyed this channel. This is the first YouTube tubes I put on, so looking forward to you to subscribe this video. Let me know what you like to see. I'm going to share my experience with you. Thank you. Enjoy the day. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you.